What if a tiny Japanese van could transform into a 4-person camper complete with solar power and air conditioning for only $30,000? It might sound impossible at first, but today we're taking a closer look at the Coastline Fabula, a compact Japanese Kei camper that proves big adventures don't always require a big motorhome. At first glance, the Fabula almost looks like a small delivery van you might see driving through narrow city streets. But in Japan, vehicles like this belong to a special category called Kei vans, ultra-compact vehicles designed for efficiency, affordability, and incredibly smart use of space. When a company like Coastline converts one of these tiny vans into a camper, something really interesting happens. A vehicle that's smaller than most city cars suddenly becomes a fully functional micro motorhome designed for travel and exploration. Walking around the outside, the Fabula quickly shows how cleverly its design has been adapted for camper life. The compact body keeps everything tight and practical, while the raised roof and large side windows give it a surprisingly camper-like presence. From the side profile, you can clearly see how tall the roofline is compared to the tiny footprint of the van. That extra height isn't just there for style, it's what allows the Fabula to fit multiple sleeping areas inside while still maintaining a comfortable interior space. Because of its small size, the Fabula has a huge advantage when it comes to real-world travel. It can easily drive through narrow village roads, crowded city streets, and scenic mountain routes where larger RVs would struggle. Parking becomes much simpler, maneuvering through tight areas feels effortless, and the driving experience feels far closer to a regular car than a large motorhome. That's one of the biggest charms of a compact camper like this. It brings the freedom of van life without the stress of handling a huge vehicle. Now, step inside, and this is where the Fabula really begins to surprise you. Instead of feeling cramped, the interior opens up into a cozy little lounge space that feels warm and inviting. Large windows allow plenty of natural light to fill the cabin, making the space feel brighter and more open than you might expect from such a small vehicle. Soft seat cushions surround a compact table, creating a comfortable area where travelers can sit down, eat, relax, or simply enjoy the view outside after a long day on the road. The layout feels simple, but it's clearly very intentional. Every cabinet, every surface, and every corner has been designed to use the limited space in the smartest way possible. But the real magic happens when it's time to sleep. The seating area quickly transforms into a bed by folding down the table and rearranging the cushions. In just a few moments, the daytime lounge turns into a comfortable sleeping area. Above that, the raised roof section provides another sleeping platform, creating additional space for passengers. Together, these sleeping areas allow the Coastline Fabula to accommodate up to 4 people, which is honestly impressive for a camper built on such a tiny vehicle platform. For a camper in this price range, the Fabula also includes some surprisingly practical features. On the roof, solar panels quietly charge the onboard battery throughout the day. This allows travelers to power interior lights, small devices, and other basic electronics even when camping far away from traditional RV parks. For people who enjoy quiet campsites in nature, that off-grid capability adds a lot of freedom to the overall experience. Even more surprising is the inclusion of air conditioning. In many small camper builds, especially budget ones, air conditioning is often missing, but here it adds a huge level of comfort during hot summer nights or long road trips through warmer regions. Being able to step into a cool interior after spending time outside in the heat can completely change the comfort level of a small camper like this. Looking around the interior, you'll also notice thoughtful details, such as compact storage cabinets for gear and travel essentials, a small kitchenette area for preparing simple meals on the road, practical lighting that creates a cozy atmosphere at night, and a foldable table that allows the space to easily transition between dining, relaxing, and sleeping. It may not be a luxury motorhome, but everything inside the Fabula feels purposeful and carefully planned. Compared to larger camper vans and full-size RVs, the Fabula offers a very different travel experience. Instead of focusing on massive interiors or luxury amenities, it focuses on simplicity, efficiency, and mobility. It's easier to drive, easier to park, and far less intimidating for beginners who want to experience van life without investing in a huge vehicle. And that's where the value really begins to stand out. For around $30,000, the Coastline Fabula offers sleeping space for 4 people, off-grid solar capability, air conditioning for added comfort, and the freedom to explore places where larger RVs simply can't go. Many bigger camper vans cost 2 or even 3 times that price, which makes the Fabula a surprisingly attractive entry point into the world of camper travel. The Coastline Fabula proves something very simple but very powerful. You don't need a massive RV to chase big adventures. Sometimes the smallest campers create the biggest memories. So now I'm curious, would you travel in a compact camper like this, or would you still prefer a larger motorhome with more space and luxury? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering unique camper vans and innovative motorhomes from around the world, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more incredible RV tours and travel inspiration.